Hey guys, welcome back to a new video on the channel, and today we're making Luke Castellan, Thalia Grace, and Annabeth Chase from the Percy Jackson and the Olympians series. For the first character, we have Luke Castellan. For the hair, I used Hawkeye's hair, the Marvel CMF Series 2. For the face, I used Anakin Skywalker's from the newer Revenge of the Sith sets. Then I used this plain orange torso and these bare skin tone arms to represent his orange Camp Half-Blood tank top. And then I just put the satchel over top of it from the Ninjago Mailman. Then, to round it off, I used these legs from Commissioner Gordon from the Lego Batman movie, because I liked that it had the brown belt with the extra belt coming down. One of the reasons I actually chose this head is because, one, it has the scar that Anakin has, but also Luke has, and the opposite head has the golden Sith eyes, which can represent Luke when he's, spoiler alert, taken over by Kronos. For the next character, I have Thalia Grace. For her hair, I used just some regular spiky black hair, because that's how Percy describes her hair in the books. Then for the face, I used Agatha's from the Marvel CMF Series 2, because it has that, like, emo eyeshadow. Then I used this torso from Speed Champions, rounded out with these legs from Lego Ninjago. Then for the shield, to represent Aegis, her Medusa shield, I used this shield from Ninjago. I think it was like the coal season, with the skull, sorcerer, and stuff like that. Then I used this spear, which also happens to be from the Ninjago movie, which is where these legs came from. For the last character, I have Annabeth Chase, who is one of the main characters in the Percy Jackson series. For the hair, I used the hair from the newer Jurassic World sets, Jurassic World, or Park. Then for the face, I used the one from the Harry Potter CMF series, because I think it just gives off her, like, sassy attitude. Then I used this armor piece that I think was from a Knight CMF. I used whatever orange torso underneath, because it doesn't really matter. Then I used these legs, which also come from the Harry Potter CMF series, because I feel like it represents her jean shorts and her black shoes. Then I gave her her classic knife, the Cursed Blade, from the Last Olympian and the other books. Thank you guys for watching this video, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye!